The biggest fear that someone has over here is not being consistent when it comes to making money. Right? What's the minimum share that I have to purchase over here when it comes to options? How do you select best stocks over here to trade options on? How much should I fund when it comes to options trading over here? What about the next market crash? This is something I really want to talk about. A lot of people start searching for investment success without realizing what is it they want to create, right? Or a long-term plan towards why they're doing this. And if you look at things in a bigger perspective over here, the real reason of why we are really investing is to really achieve financial freedom for ourselves. In Singapore, many people think that, hey, we lack money, but one thing we really lack more over here is really time.